When you multiply fractions, it's that one where you find the lowest common multiple.
That's adding and subtracting.
All right.
Multiply across.
So you times them diagonally, right?
Nope. Straight
Or
across.
just. All right. Two over 21.
Yep. And how about very last one?
Ooh. 12 over 6. I mean, it would be 6 over 12, which is 1/2.
Yeah, and that's why that one said simplest form. Great. Okay. Any idea how you multiply a whole number by a fraction? Any idea how you do 60 times 2/3?
Would you divide it by 3 and then times it by 2?
Yeah, that'll work.
All right. So it'll be 40.
40, that's it. £40. Okay, I think you're good. Okay, now we have mixed numbers, a mixture of fraction and whole number. Any idea how you do these?
Would you convert it to a, what's it called?
Improper fraction?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you know how to do that for the first one?
You times it by the top one. So it'll be 9 over 4. Oh no, it would be 11. Right.
You would times it by the bottom one.
Oh.
And add the top.
So it would be 6 over 12 times.
How did you get 6 over 12?
Times it by the bottom one, that is it's the top one.
So it would be 3 times denominator plus numerator, and it's all over the fraction.
Oh. So it'll be 19 over 4.
No, not 19.
Oh no, it'll be 15.
Yeah. And second
one? It would be 8 over 3.
Mm-hmm. And
it would be 15 times it would be over 12. It would be 120 over 12, which is equal to 1/10.
10, I believe.
Oh yeah, 10.
18, 20, 12, 10. Great. Okay. How about next one?
It would be 15 over 8 times 16 over 3.
Yeah, and what might make your life easier is to cancel down earlier. So with the previous one, 15 over 3, you can cancel down straight up and down as well as diagonally. Multiplying doesn't matter what order you do them in. That could be 5 and 1. That could be 2 and 1. And so you get 10 over 1, which is 10. So anything similar you can do with this one?
And 16 would be 2 over 1.
Mm-hmm.
And 15 3 would be 5 over 1.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 10 again.
Oh, it's 10 again. All right. Okay, this one, it says give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So this one won't give a whole number answer, I don't think.
All right. Be 25 over 3 times 7 over 5.
Mm-hmm.
25 and 5 would be 5 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 times 1 would be 3. And 5 times 7 would be 35. I think you could say
Mixed number.
mixed number, so it would be 11 and 2/3.
Brilliant. 11 and 2/3. 11 and 2/3. Got it. So any questions about any of those?
No.
And anytime you have a mixed number for anything, really, like it's better to have a for like measuring something like 11 and 2/3. If you were to measure something, you right away you know it's between 11 and 12. So that's better than 35 over 3. Like if it was on an x-axis or something, like, you know, it's somewhere between 11 and 12. Other than that, anytime you have a mixed number, just turn it into an improper fraction. Multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, they're much easier to work with if it's an improper fraction. 11 and 2/3. Okay, how do we divide fractions?
So convert it to a mixed number.
Yeah.
Oh no, improper fraction. Be 25 over 2.
Okay, do you know how to divide fractions?
Well, 25 and 2 are both multiples of 5 and 8. So, would you?
Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction the same.
All right.
Change, divide the times, and flip the second fraction.
All right. So it would be, well, 5 would be 1,
Mm-hmm.
and 25 would be 5. And 2 would be
So it's like 8 over 2.
2 would be 1, and 8 would be 4.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 20 over 1, just 20.
Hold on. Okay, let's try this one. The 3 and 2 one.
All right. So 7 over 2 divided by 14 over 5. So it would change it to 5 over 14, so it'll be 7 over 2 divided times 5 over 14. And 7 would be changed to 1, 14 would be changed to 2. So it would be 5 over 4. Should be. Should you change it to a mixed number or not?
Yeah, it was given to us as a mixed number, so we give them the answer as a mixed number.
All right, it will be 1 and 1 over 4. Wait a second.
Okay.
All right. This one will be 9 over 4.
Don't worry about that. You're good.
All right.
Okay. So adding and subtracting. How do we do these?
Well, so you find the lowest common multiple.
Yep.
Will be 24.
Okay.
Don't really know what to do after that.
11 over 12 is the same as what over 24?
Same as 22 over 24.
And this one? Uh, 5 over 6 is the same as what over 24?
20 over 24.
Yeah. And any idea how you do that?
Oh, you just take the top off the other one. So it'll be 2 over 24. Should be 1 over 12.
Very good. And if you notice it from the beginning, the lowest common denominator was actually 12. So you could just keep the first one the same, and then the second one would be that, and you get the same answer. It's all the same. Okay. How about second one? No, let's try very last one.
All right. I'm guessing you would do the...
Hang on. We'll do it properly. Okay, second
one. All right, so it would be 1 over... 3 over 12 plus 1 over 12.
Not 3.
Oh, 4 over 12 plus 1 over 12. So that would be 5 over 12.
Okay. And okay. Weird last one.
All right. So you'll do the fraction inside the brackets, which would be 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Should be 4 over 6. Which is equal to 2 over 3.
Yeah.
1 minus 2 over 3, that will make 1/3.
Very good. Yeah, it's like 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3. Great. Any questions about those? Let us see. Okay. Let's try top one.
All right. Be 40.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be 16 over 40 plus 15 over 40. Should be 29 over 40.
I think you're right. Hang on a second. Yeah. Let me see these. Yeah. It says give your answer in its simplest form, but that's just automatically the simplest form. Would I really like that stuff? Let's try this little one here.
All right. So it will be 5 over 15 plus 9 over 15. Should make 14 over 15.
Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about saying put it in the simplest form. Okay. How about these?
And
And let's try this one. Looks like the most challenging one. Let's try this one, and it's a subtracting one as well.
all right. 17 over 3 minus 11 over 4. Sure. So it'll be 12. So it'll be 68 over 12 minus 33 over 12, which would make 35 over 12, which is equal to 2 and 11 twelfths.
Correct. 2 and 11 twelfths. Great. Good. Wherever that one is, I have the answer for it. This is technically has some fraction in it, so I included it. All right, how about this?
All right. 120. 20% is 1/5.